Welcome back to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. Friends, our entire life is stored on our smartphones. We have our bank information, photos, videos, important documents, notes, emails, private messages, and much more. That's why it's extremely important to protect our phones, especially if the phone gets stolen. Today, I'll show you some important anti-theft settings that can make your Android phone more secure and help prevent someone from easily disabling your phone's tracking or accessing your personal information. So let's get started. First, lock your phone. Now swipe down from the top of the screen and check whether you can access the quick settings or notification drawer. If someone steals your phone, they may try to enable airplane mode from the lock screen. This can disconnect the phone from the network and make it harder to track. So let's prevent this. On Samsung phones, first open Settings, then tap Lock Screen and AOD. Now tap Secure Lock Settings. Enter your PIN, password, or pattern if required. Here, look for Lock Network and Security. Turn this option on. Now, when your phone is locked, important network settings cannot be easily changed. On some Android phones, you may not have a separate option to block airplane mode. However, you can prevent the notification drawer or quick settings from being opened while the phone is locked. First, open Settings. Then tap Notifications and Status Bar. Now, look at the top left corner and tap Lock Screen. At the top, you will see an option called Swipe down on Lock Screen to view Notification Drawer. If this option is turned on, turn it off. Now lock your phone and try swiping down from the top of the screen. You should no longer be able to easily open the notification drawer or quick settings from the lock screen. This can help prevent someone from quickly changing settings such as airplane mode or other network options after stealing your phone. Now let's enable Android's built-in theft protection features. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Google. Then tap All Services. Scroll down to the Personal and Device Safety section. Here, tap Theft Protection. Now find Theft Detection Lock. Turn it on. This feature can use your phone's sensors to detect if someone suddenly grabs your phone and runs away with it. If suspicious movement is detected, the phone can automatically lock the screen. If the feature is triggered accidentally, don't worry. You can simply unlock your phone again using your normal PIN, password, or fingerprint. Stay inside the Theft Protection section. Now find Offline Device Lock. Turn this option on as well. This feature can help protect your phone if someone steals it and disconnects it from the internet. For example, if the phone suddenly goes offline, it can automatically lock under supported conditions. The person who has your phone will then need your PIN, password, or fingerprint to access it. This can help protect your photos, messages, apps, banking information, and other personal data. The exact names and locations of these settings can vary depending on your Android phone, manufacturer, and software version. So, if you don't find an option exactly where I showed you, use the search option inside Settings. You can search for Theft Protection, Theft Detection Lock, Offline Device Lock, or Lock Screen. That's it. So take a few minutes and check these settings on your phone today. So friends, these were some important anti-theft settings that you should consider enabling on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Hunter for more useful Android tips and technology tutorials. I'm Syed. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.